Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can fix this error in 3 easy methods. So let's get started. In the first method, search for Task Manager. From here, go to the Startup tab, find the CCX process, right click over it and disable it. And this should fix the issue. If it doesn't, proceed ahead with the next method. Search for Control Panel. Go to Programs and Features. From here, locate all the Microsoft Visual C++ programs and uninstall them one by one. Once done with the uninstallation, restart your computer. After restart, open your browser and go to this link. I'll give the link in the video description. Scroll down and click on this. From here, download this zip file. So after you download it, don't run it. Open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, click on Manage Settings and disable the real-time protection. Now extract the contents of the folder. Right click over this file and run it as administrator. If you get a similar screen, click on More Info and click on Run Anyway. That's it, the installation process will begin. It will take some time, so wait for it to finish. Now once the installation finishes, close everything and restart your computer, and this should fix the issue for sure. In the next method, search for Control Panel. Go to Programs and Features. Find and uninstall any Adobe application you see here. Now open File Explorer. Go to this PC, C drive, Program Files folder. Locate the Adobe folder and delete it. Now go one step back. Go to the Program Files 86 folder. Locate the Adobe folder and delete it from here too. Once you delete it, restart your computer and this should fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.